Hey everybody, so in this video here, I'm going to be talking about these pieces specifically. So we're calling these a 1x2 clip, or like this gray one where it's a 1x2 plate. So again, this thickness is 0.125 and you have two clips coming out. Or maybe it's this one where it's a 1x2 brick, but it's one brick tall, so that's 0.375, and you have a clip here horizontally. So what I'm about to show you for the mid plane and kind of how to draw this will definitely help you. So in Fusion here, let's go ahead. We'll make a bottom sketch now. Now let's go with that 1x2. So my side here is going to be 0.626. That's our standard. My width here is going to be 0.313. Gonna hit finish. I'm going to extrude this to be one brick tall, so that's 0.375. Now I'm not going to put my studs in here quite yet, but I wanted to do a plane to kind of draw in the middle, because definitely I could put a sketch on here on top, make a circle off the edge. I can add some lines in here. And then I could definitely extrude this all the way down. And then could I make my sketch visible again, extrude, and then cut it? Yes, I could definitely do that. And there's nothing wrong with that. But to use the mid plane, which I think a tool's a little bit more beneficial, and if you really understand it, could help you kind of get to that next level of modeling in Fusion. So if I do my normal offset plane, click on the top, again, model on this, it's all good. But if I do construct mid plane, I'm going to click the top here of my piece, rotate, click the bottom. Now this plane is directly in the middle. Now, could I have definitely made this offset plane and just figured out the math of, this is 0.375. I offset it by 0.37 divided by 2. Yes, of course, definitely do that. But Fusion has the midplane for you, so why not use it? So back to this. I'm going to turn the top one off. I have my midplane right here. I go create my sketch, midplane. Now, notice how my grid is in the middle of my block, because that's where I'm sketching. If I want to get rid of this top section, I can go ahead on the tab that open, hit slice. Now I'm working in the middle. So again, let's go ahead and make a circle here. Add some lines, let's say, right. Ooh. Add some lines right here. Perfect. Again, I'll use P, project my geometry here so I know where those points are. So maybe I can just drag these to the end, make it look a little nicer. Hit finish. My sketch is in the middle, again, because I made that offset plane, which is still here. Just the visibility goes away. If I hit extrude, now this is the cool part. So normally extrude, we can do our direction is one-sided. We've never changed this normally, but I could do two sides and have two different dimensions, but I don't want that. If I do symmetric, it's going to go up and down in the same direction. So let's say this number was 0.095 when you measure it with your caliper. Cool. It's going to go 0.095 in both directions though, so you got to be careful about that. So if it's 0.095 total, well, that's fine. Type that in. Let's do our \2, divides it by 2, and Fusion does the math for you. Again, this clip really should be looking like this, but again, I just want to show you how to create that mid plane and do that extrusion where it's going equally in both directions. Then you can go back, edit that sketch, put your dimensions in, and then you can get a nice clip. So hopefully this helps.